It's 6 a.m. in Arashiyama, Kyoto, Japan. It is freezing, but we're gonna risk it for the beautiful Arashiyama bamboo forest. Let's go.
B and I are currently in Arashiyama Bamboo Grove. It is about 6:45 now and people are starting to arrive, so we're gonna head out, but it is absolutely stunning. Just check it out. You know, it's a small strip of really tall bamboos that are just covering the street, and it's a great spot for you to check out while you're here in Kyoto. I suggest definitely early. If not, there's gonna be other people here. It's not a problem.
Right.
You know, just enjoy it. It's a nice walk from a train station. We get to just take in the beautiful views of Kyoto.
It's very scenic, and for sure it's a very nice little nestle in Kyoto where you can see all the tall bamboo shooting up, covering the light, filtering in, and it's something worth checking out when you're in Japan. It's so mystical and beautiful down here with all the bamboos shooting up in like a big cluster, and when you walk in there's like this tint of green with the filter of sunlight coming in. It is definitely a spot worth checking out when you're in Japan. I am so relaxed. Relaxed. Relax.
We are at the Bonario Hotel in Arashiyama.
Yes, and we just came back from our hot spring bath and shower. It's a communal bath shower. Some of them are shared between men and women, but ours are gender specific. So it was really nice.
Yeah, the water is really hot, clearly. It's a hot spring. And you literally just sit in there and soak for a little bit and just kind of detox in a way, and the hot water kind of just like engulfs your body and you just feel like all the toxins are sucked out of you in a way.
It also melts away the stress.
Oh, definitely. I don't know if you can see, but we're both
I'm
quite relaxed, and it's early.
I'm trying to fight to stay awake because I'm so relaxed right now.
Yeah. We are also wearing our traditional kimono robes, which is super nice and comfortable.
That's what I was gonna say. And the communal baths are a really interesting experience in Japan because they give you lockers and you go in naked. You don't wear any swim trunks or underwear or whatsoever. It's completely commando, like naked.
Naked.
So, if just in case if this is your first time in Japan, don't be startled or surprised because that's, you know, the culture down here.
Luckily, we are here during a time where no one else is, so we definitely had the VIP experience with just the two of us. So it definitely made it feel more exclusive to just the two of us.
Right.
We've probably seen one or two other people using them, so
I wish we can show you how it looks like in there because it was quite interesting, but obviously there's no cameras allowed in there. We can only describe it to the best of our ability to you.
yeah. So one of the things you definitely should do while you are in Japan is to hit up a bathhouse and really immerse yourself in the Japanese experience. This train is so cute. I love taking public transit because you get to see how the local people do it. It's so nice and clean and very on time. So here we go, next station.